here today in Manchester for the Industry 4.0 Summit, which is all about the digitalisation of manufacturing. Today we are running a workshop on the space factory of the future in collaboration with London Economics and Innovate UK.
We're aiming to bring together specialists from the space sector and experts from advanced manufacturing to see how Industry 4.0 can address the future challenges that the space sector is facing.
London Economics are doing this report and holding these workshops in order to inform Innovate UK, who will in turn inform the government, I believe, to try and secure investment and form part of a strategy to deliver this and create an environment where the space industry can thrive.
The key aim of the study is to try and transfer some of the key bits of knowledge from the non-space world into our space manufacturers so that they're able to adopt some of the interesting techniques and technologies to allow them to better manufacture, improve quality of their products, and ultimately to reduce the cost of manufacture so that they can access new markets.
By the end of the workshop, we're hoping to have identified the future challenges and what does a roadmap look like moving forward for the next 10 or 20 years to help the UK space manufacturing sector to meet those challenges and to grow into the future.